Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, are you all fine? Yes, yes. Okay, all good. Okay, I know you are waiting for half an hour, and actually, geology sir was little bit down today. Health was not okay. So, he called me. I was in another campus, so I had to come. It took some time from that campus to this campus. I will tell, my name, just I'm saying why class is late, first, reason I'm saying, because some of you might be thinking that, why class is late, so, Daranda, sir was not a little bit, huh, what is your name? My name, I will write on board, that will be much better, okay, and, okay, yes, so, yes, Mohit Pandey. And we'll do a little bit basics of little bit basics of trigonometry that we will use in physics. Means I'm not going to say your trigonometry whole you have done in the class 9th and 10th, lot of trigonometry you have done. Out of that, what we are going to use selectively, we have to use, so that we will introduce yourself, slowly we'll get to know. I think it will be much better, let's not waste much time in the introduction part. Slowly you will get to know, yes, it will be much better. Okay, so for today, I think name is okay, or you can ask, if you want something else. If you want something else, you can ask, I will answer first 2 minutes those, now onwards you will come. No, actually, for the, like, you will get to know your all the teachers, whatever the teachers are there, so you will get to know all the teachers, like, in physics, so one topic we will take, in one topic, like trigonometry, so all the trigonometry, whatever basics we have to do, so I will take, AKD already taken your, AKD certificate na, your differentiation part, integration part, so like this graphical part is done. So whatever the parts we are going to use in our physics, that will be done, unit by unit, we are not going to teach mathematics first of all, again I'm saying that whatever we will use, yes, I am good, I am fully fine. From which state? I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, any other question, anything you want to ask? So this class and next class both will be the physics class. I think you have that much. This class and next class, can you handle 2 hours continuously for the physics? I think in the starting it will not be that much. That much already people are saying that we have fear of mathematics. I don't think that So 1 hour will be enough. But slowly, you will get to we'll be having 2 hour classes, sometimes 3 hour classes. It can be like this. But today I don't think that we should go for the 2 hour continuously. And you know Telugu? Yes, koncham Telugu, miss, whatever I need that much I know. Physics he to thodi, okay. Yes, so I think now all your questions are over. Next geology class, geology probably you will be having later on, geology class will be done later on, no need to worry, I know that you are so much interested about the geology, so that will be coming, sir will tell, he will come unit wise, you will get to know your all the teachers, these gift classes, why we are having these gift classes, so that you can interact, you can set your tuning with your teachers, you can interact with your teachers, or you can learn in this time. So whenever you are some teacher is free, they will come and one particular unit they will take, like suppose I am free, I will be coming for the one particular unit, I will take, Suppose I got some other work, okay, then someone else will come. Like this is there, okay. So that is the utilization of our time as well as your time. In the free time, you are also chilling as well as doing something. And in the, okay, that time we are also interacting with the new minds, okay, new people, different types of questions are there in your mind. Lot of, okay, times we get the new questions also, okay. So that is will be there, okay. Okay, so now we are going to start the class. It will be, yes. Now, so in the your trigonometry, okay, already in 9th class and 10th class you got the trigonometry. So first, if I say in the your trigonometry, we are going to take basically measurement of. If I ask a definition of the trigonometry, then we can say we are going to take measurement of angles will be there, okay. Means okay, trigonometry as triangle means basically we'll talk about that, okay, angles. So ultimately that angle measurement we have to do, okay. So you can write here, okay, angle. Now if I say what is the definition of angle, okay, basic definition, of course we are not interested in the definition. No one is going to ask okay, this definition to you, okay. So just I'm asking, okay, because now we can write, let on know where this use is there. So what are the basically definition of angle? We can say, suppose I am having, this is the your reference line, okay. We can write this one as the reference line, and this reference line, if I rotate, I can rotate clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Both way I can do, okay. I think we are very two rays meeting at a point forms an angle. Yes, that is correct, okay. So now if this is the your okay, we can say reference line, you can move okay, your clockwise as well as anti-clockwise, okay. So we can say that here this is the reference line. We can say this is the earlier, okay, fixed ray, and I'm going to move this one. So if I'm moving this line here, we can say like this. If I'm moving, so I'm reaching to this final position here, and this is the some, okay, we can say we are reaching, okay, here. This amount of rotation, amount of revolution, we can say that is the basically in our language we can define as the angle, okay. So either you are moving clock or anti-clockwise, you will make some rotation. That rotation we can define as the your angle. Amount of rotation we can define as the angle. So in short, okay, we will not write the, okay, all okay, like you have written in the 9th class your definitions, because of course not interested in the definition part. So just you can write in the short that amount of rotation, okay, amount of rotation, okay, with respect to reference line, okay, amount of rotation with respect to reference line, okay. Now here comes that what will take angle. Sometimes we can take angle as positive also as well as angle as negative. This is our okay, means we are going to take this convention here. So if I'm moving, okay, if I'm moving clockwise like this, if I'm going upside here, so this movement is clockwise or anti-clockwise. Whenever we are going like this, you can say 100% this movement is your clockwise, and this clockwise movement you will take angle as positive or negative. Some of you already know, some of you, okay, those who don't know, okay, for okay. So we can say when you are moving like this, again by the convention we are going to take, so this theta we are going to take as positive. Means here we will take this theta to be positive. Whenever clockwise movement is there, we will take theta as the positive, okay. If you are going anti, means if you are going the your not the, okay, clockwise here, okay, this is the ACW I can write here, anti-clockwise, okay. So we are going to take this one positive, okay, anti-clockwise. And if I take here, this is the reference line. If I'm coming down here, okay, like this, we can say I'm coming like this. So we can say this is basically your okay, clockwise, and here we can take, in this one we can take angle as negative, okay. So this is just one convention. Later on, depending on your choice, you can change if you want, but as of now, okay, we'll take that okay, anti-clockwise as positive and clockwise as negative. I hope this single point is clear. I will go the point wise in one okay, class, max to max, okay, 5-6 points we'll discuss, class will be over, okay. So this is the very basic point here. Somewhere we'll use that like this, it is going to be positive, and coming down, this is going to be negative, okay. Okay, so I'm going to ask some questions. So I hope. Okay, so they are going to give you some examples. Means I will be giving some examples. Suppose we got they are giving like this, okay. So this okay, I am taking here. They are saying we are going like this. So this angle theta will be positive theta. Means suppose there is a 30 degree. So there is a plus 30 degree or minus 30 degree. We can say this angle we are going to take here plus 30 degree. And if I take the same time here, basically, if this is my reference line and in this reference line, I am going here and this is your 45, then here we can say this theta is going to be your minus 45, okay? At some places this convention might be coming, so we can use, yes, it is the your upper side we are going your anti-clockwise, we have to take positive. If we are coming down, we are coming clockwise, we have to take it negative, okay? Over. Yes, Ranjit, any problem? Any problem? It is done, okay? So now next I will take, okay, acute as well as obtuse angle. What is the right angle? Because sometimes in our numericals it will be used, okay, that we have right angle, okay? So right angle things will be coming. Can you tell slowly? Of course, I am very slow, okay? Just I said 2 points I said, okay? I said, okay, 2 points only. I am actually very, very slow. That if you are taking anti-clockwise positive, one line is this, and if I am going your clockwise, then you have to take the your okay, negative. Okay, see this one here first. Okay, if you have still this doubt, you can take anti-clockwise, you have to take positive, clockwise you have to take negative. Okay, clockwise you have to take negative. This one is positive and this one is going to be your negative, okay? This is the single line I have just told, okay? Now, then we'll go for, if I say what are the acute angle, okay? Another example, so we can say reflex, listen, reflex angle, no use of that one. I will just say, okay, your, okay, we are not going to use that one, okay? Later on, I will say that between the two lines, we have to always take the smallest angle, okay? So, okay, those who are asking here, reflex angle, that for us, actually, there is no use, okay? So, we'll not go into that one. So, I will only say I will only say two, acute and obtuse, okay? And later on, I will tell one point, whenever you have to take the angle between these two, then always you have to take the minimum angle or maximum angle between two lines. Which one we have to consider? Later on, we'll see this one. If I say that these between these two lines, this angle is there, then you will take your smaller angle or bigger angle. Like if these two lines, okay, later on I will say, okay, but however you know, okay, like between these two lines, which angle I have to define? A smaller or bigger one, means I have to take this one or this one here. Of course, I will take this one, okay? Clear? So that's why I will not talk about your reflex. Again, I am saying that whatever you have done in your 9th, 10th, I am not going to say all those things. I am only going to say whatever we have to use. Very selectively, I will say, okay? Not, okay, whole trigonometry. Very selectively. Otherwise, if I say whole mathematics, again, this becomes the class of mathematics. Not will be the class of physics here, okay? So I can say that, okay, if angle is less than 90 here, okay, this one is there. So we can say when angle is less than 90, you have to use the word acute, okay. They will say sometimes that, okay, formation of acute angle is there, then we can see, yes, this is your less than 90. And anywhere you are getting more than 90, okay, then we can say this one is going to be your, okay, if this is the more than 90, then we can say this one is your obtuse. And right angle means how much angle will be there? 90 degree. Right angle is your 90 degree, okay? Right angle means 90 degree, okay? Means we'll use these terms frequently. I will say acute, I will say obtuse, okay? I will say right angle. So right angle means basically we can say, like I'm asking here, okay, that this angle, so we can say this one is basically your 90 degree, and this one we can use the word as your right angle, okay? This will be the right angle, okay? So I hope these 3 points, very basic points are, I will tell, don't worry, okay? 180 is the straight angle, 360 is the complete, okay? We'll do, okay? 360 will be the full rotation, okay? I know you know all the things, okay? Already just now you have done in the class 9th. So we can say this less than 90 is the acute, more than 90 is the obtuse, okay? and 90 is the right. As of now, you have to know this thing, okay? Just this one, okay? Not saying the straight, okay? Not saying the total, not giving you so many other definitions, okay? When time will come, slowly I will say, okay, what are the complementary, what are the supplementary, okay? In the one class only, I will, okay, suppose I'm dumping so many, that this is the your acute, obtuse, supplementary, this is the reflex, this is the straight, and this is the your, what will happen, that whole confusion will come, okay? So whatever we have to need, that much only we will say, okay? Slowly, you have to learn all the things. In one day, you don't have to become the your engineer or doctor. There are the, okay, long process is there. What is the problem here, that okay, in one day only you want to take everything. Now tell all the things, okay? Right angle also, supplementary also, complementary also, everything. Like that, okay, when you are going for the meal, okay, so in the meal, whenever they are giving you 8 to 10 items, so all the items you take together, like they are, okay, giving you 8 to 10 items, and then okay, you take, and then okay, all mixed together and like this. Of course, this is not the system to take. Earlier, okay, when we came here, actually, we came here in 2017. So at that time, we didn't know the system. So we are mixing all the things, because we used to mix rice and all the things, whatever, 5-7 curry, and then mixing together. Then someone told that you have to take one by one. So that is the system. So here also same system is there, okay? Whatever is needed, that we will do one by one, okay? So I'm not going to dump, otherwise that will be known as that I have dumped all the types of, okay? So just I need, like, this is the acute. So you got acute means basically less than 90. Obtuse means you're more than 90. And this is the right angle, because I have to use this one more frequently. I will say a lot of time more frequently, so you can do this one, okay? Yes, this is the SSC syllabus. In physics of 11th and 12th class, you only need 9th and 10th class trigonometry. And even that basics, very basic. You don't need very high level of trigonometry. Very basic is needed. People didn't know that also. If I go, a lot of people don't know that, okay, right now cos 120 value. Those who are going to give the NEET examination, if you ask them what the cos 120, they don't know, okay? So that's why we are having these classes, so that basic we can get. Okay, yes, this is there. For, yes, CBSE, ICSE, all, okay, it is there. And if not there, I am going to tell, okay? You ask too many questions, okay? Just one single point I have told here, and then and not question. If questions are related to subject, very good. Questions are not okay, coming from here or there, okay, not coming, okay. No one asks, okay, that I have doubt in this acute or obtuse values of some specific angles. This does we have whole trigonometry? What I'm saying, that you don't have whole trigonometry, you have this much. This is the trigonometry. Suppose you, out of this, you have only this much trigonometry. This much only you have to learn. If you are going for the your okay, medical, if you are going for the JEE, then you have to do everything, okay? For the JEE, everything you have to do. The one separate book is there for the trigonometry. For the medical, not needed too much. So whatever is needed, that I am going to say, okay? So now we can write here next thing in this one. That if I take one triangle here, okay, in this one, summation of all these three angles, like I can give the name here ABC. So summation of all these three is going to be how much? 180, okay? Summation will be 180. Can you ask one question based on this one? Means we can write here, summation of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is going to be your 180. I can directly write ABC, okay? I don't have to put these angles, okay? If I'm not putting angle, again you will say, sir, you didn't put the angle, okay? You have just written the ABC. That is not correct, okay? So I am putting the angle, but later on I will simply say A plus B plus C, summation should be 180. Can I give one question? Okay. So now I'm going to take questions that we will use actually, okay? Like sometimes, okay, you will get to know that here in this one, this is the triangle, okay? We will be having the triangular prism. You have done the optics chapter. In optics chapter, there is the your okay, prism. Okay, prism you can say. Yes. So this is the your triangular prism, right angled prism is there. Okay, we can have, okay, you will get to know different types of prism. Okay, so in this one they are saying, okay, that this angle is your 30 degree. You have to find this angle. Okay, this angle you have to find. What will this angle? Okay, now they are not going to ask this question in physics. Okay, in physics we will use that this angle will find, then our then only we will get our okay, numerical. First preliminary things will be to find this angle. Okay, if you are able to solve this angle, then only you can solve the question. If you are not able to find this, you cannot solve the question. So I am saying here that this is the 30, this one is the 90, and you can see this angle be directly your 60. Those who don't know, for them, okay, sometimes when you people are, okay, coming in the classroom, then how to do like this also. Some people directly say, oh, 30, 90, this is the 60, okay. And for some people, they are saying that what question you are, what question you are, this is nothing for us. And for some people, they are not getting any clue also how this is coming 60. So for them, I have to take like this, that yes, this plus this is going to be 180. So we'll write like this, that x plus 90 plus 30 is going to be here 180. This 90 and 30 is the 120 equal to here 180, and this x becomes basically your 60. But each time can we do like this? Or can I explain like this each time? Of course, it is not possible in the, okay, during the course of time when, okay, our syllabus will, okay. That's why, okay, we are having these classes. Later on, we don't have to do. You will not suffer, even we will not suffer, okay. That is the one motive here. So directly we can say, oh, 30, 90, 120 means this should be your 60, okay. Otherwise, what happens? Later on, time wastage happens, okay. Right now, okay, in this time, we can learn these small things, okay. So can I take the next question now? Okay, so now we'll be having the next question. And how we will do the questions basically? Once you got this angle, they will say ray coming from here, okay. Ray is coming from here. Can I take that question? Okay. Like they will ask, okay, that ray is coming, okay, like this. And they will ask, okay, ray is coming this way, here, okay. And they are asking that here, what is this angle they are asking, okay. This angle, they are asking here that what is this angle, okay. And they have given that this one is suppose your, okay, I can give this is the 45, and they will say that what this angle here, okay. They can say angle of incidence, okay, or this, okay, what angle it is making with the surface, this ray, okay. To solve the question, we have to do, this is the 45, okay. So we can say what angle is this, theta will be how much? 45 only. This will be the 45, okay. Yes. Like this, okay, can be coming. If I, okay, I'm not taking the, okay, I'm not drawing the normal here. Okay, but if I draw in the same question normal here later on, don't draw the normal, okay, I will tell later on, okay, then how to draw the things. But some of you know how to take the normal like this, okay. Then I will ask, what is this angle then, okay. You got this angle, then what will be this angle? This angle I will ask, suppose this angle is your y, then what is the y angle? You will say this is also 45, okay. Some of you, okay, got that yes, this will be also 45. Once you are able to find these angles, then, okay, this is the part of mathematics. Physics part will be very easy, okay. You know Snell's law? Snell's law, little bit, something we remember. Snell's law, then we'll use the Snell's law, our answer will come, okay. Sin I, sin R, something is there, okay, we can easily get the answer. So I'm just giving the example how we are going to use the things, okay. So can I give you one more question on this one, on this pattern? Okay, let me give some of you, okay, if you are able to get this one, then very good. So I will say that, okay, one ray is coming like this, okay. This is the normal. Normal means basically your 90 degree. I hope you know. If don't know, then okay, remember the normal is, okay, your 90 degree to the surface. Normal is always 90 degree to the surface, okay. So we can say this is the your, okay, 90 degree, and we can say this is 90, then this will be also what, 90. Total angle will be here 90, okay. And they are saying that in this one, this angle is given to us, that this is the your, okay, I can take 60 degree, and then they are asking this angle you have to find, this angle theta. What is the angle theta here? What is angle theta? This one you have to find. This one is 30 or 60. Two options are there, 30 or 60. This theta is 30 or 60. This is as of now little bit, okay, we are using your mathematics, but of course this will be used. 30 or 60. Listen, okay, I will make it somewhat bigger diagram like this. I can zoom, okay. So you will see in this one that this is the 60, this is the 90. What is this angle? First of all, you can tell this one, okay. This angle will be, okay, what? This angle I am asking, okay. First of all, this one you have to say. This is the 60, this is the your 90, we know. So you can easily say this one is going to be 30, okay. We can use that also that I have told in the your this, okay. You can do like this also that okay, x plus something, okay, we have done, okay. This way also you can do, okay, x plus 90 plus 30, so we'll get the same answer. So I'm saying in this one that if this is the your okay 90, this is the 60, this will be 30, and you know this is the 30, total is also what? Here we can say this total is 90, and if total is 90, then we can write here in this one total 90. What will be this angle here? Theta will be what? You can say, sir, total is 90, so theta will be how much here? Your 60 degree. Are you getting this thing? Okay, then we will use, okay, later on here that where ray will go, and then we have to use the Snell's law. That part we will get to know in the physics, okay. But as of now, just angle things we have to find, okay. Can I tell one more question like this? This use I have told in the optics, okay. Now I will tell use in the NLM, Newton's laws of motion already you have done, okay. Laws of refraction we will use, okay. Again I am saying just to tell you angles, because once we know the angle, we can easily play with the angles. Like Snell's law you will use, okay, that sine I you will put this value, sine R, okay, we can put the things. Okay, so one more question I am saying here. They will say this is the one okay block here, and on this block, okay, or I can write like this, okay, better. They will say this is the 30 degree here, and this one is the 60 degree, okay, and they will say here at okay, we will put some mass. Have you done questions like this somewhere? That some pulley, some mass will be there? Or maybe you have seen that I will put like this, that here I will put the pulley, and then here I will keep the mass like this. This side I will keep the some mass like this, okay? Have you seen these questions somewhere? I'm just saying, seen. Yes, these type of questions will come in our Newton's law of motion. So, fourth chapter, okay? So, as of now, because chapter is not going on, so I'm going to remove this one, okay? Means we will see later on in this chapter. Here we are mainly interested in the angles. So, what I can say that at this moment we, okay, how to find basically this angle, okay? What will be this angle? Because we will do the, okay, sometimes force we will divide into two parts. To solve the question, you have to divide force into two parts, okay. That is known as resolution, you will get to know, okay. So one angle is this and one angle is this. These two angles you have to tell me, okay. One angle is this, one is angle this. These two you have to tell fast. Okay, so now I can zoom a little bit, and if I zoom a little bit, then what you will get basically that yes, sir, this line you can extend here, and if I'm okay extending this line, so what I'm getting here, okay, by extending this line, I can say this will be your 90 degree, and if this is the your 90 degree, okay, this will be 100% 60. Yes, 100% 60. Okay, now this one we got 60. What about this angle then? This one. This one, everyone is saying yes, this angle is okay 30. This angle we got 30. Okay, and once you know this thing, then you will be able to do your question also easily. Okay, easily question will be done. Same we will do this side also. If I say this side here, then we can say what with this angle. Then you can directly say what with the angle here. And this one, this is the 60. This one will be what? Okay, here 90. What with this angle? We can say this angle is going to be what? 30. This is 30. And if I say what will be this angle here? This angle? But this is the 90 degree, na? See, okay, this is the 90 degree, okay? Here also, this one is the 90 degree. Right angle, I am just telling the use of the right angles I have told in the starting, okay? You can say clearly for you, this is the 90 degree. If this is the 30, this will be what? 60 degree. Once we got 30 and 60, our, okay, solution will become very easy for us. Okay, that force questions will come. Now, when pulley based question will come, you'll find little bit easier if you are able to play with the angles. Okay, quickly. Otherwise, what will happen? Lot of time you will waste in finding the angles. Lot of people find angles. Okay, how they find angles? Like this, they will write this one 30 plus 90 plus x equal to 180. Then they find the value of x. Then they write this x plus y equal to 90. Of course, okay, they will never be able to solve. In 40 seconds, one question you have to solve. In the NEET, if you are going for the NEET, 40 seconds for one question. In the IT, you will get almost 2 minutes. Because their number of questions less, and because questions are a little bit mathematical sometimes, so somewhat more time is there. Yes, one more question can I take? One more? Okay, so I'm going to take one more question here. Very good. Okay, so I will take one more quickly. Listen, I will take this again from the prism. I will say, okay, like this is the triangle here. In this triangle, okay, like this is the your prism. Can I say this one is the prism? Because I think everyone is very clear about the prism. I can say prism now. Okay. So now if this is the prism here, if I break this prism, okay, from the upper, if I'm breaking like this, okay, so I can break this prism. So this becomes basically what your broken prism, okay. This is the your broken prism, okay. Any problem in this one? Okay, so they will say here in this one, yes, broken prism becomes basically a trapezium, okay. Now, they will say, okay, this angle is your, I'm writing here 60 degree. This angle I'm writing 30 degree. They are asking, this is the your okay, first surface, okay. I'm writing first surface. This I'm writing second surface, okay. Second surface. They are saying what the angle between first surface and second surface. Angle between first surface and second surface. This one is the first surface, this side. And this side we can write second surface. You have to tell the angle between the first surface and second surface. Very easy question. Because this question is nothing but the previous question only, where it was the full triangle. I have just erased that part, okay. That part was erased, okay. So it becomes like the trapezium. But if you have to find the angle between two lines, okay, that you have to extend, okay. So we'll extend this line, okay. This one I'm going to extend here. This one also I will extend here. So when we are going to extend like this, you are going to extend like this, because this angle actually we have to figure out here, okay. This is the angle that is our target, that is a theta, okay. So we can say now if I take, this is the actually one triangle here, you can easily, okay, visualize in this one that this is the actually one triangle, okay, that okay. So you can say this triangle 60 plus 30. So we can say theta plus 60 plus 30 is actually here 180. 60 30 is 90. So theta becomes basically how much? 90 degree. But of course we'll not do it. We'll never do like this. We'll directly say 60 30. This one is going to be 90 here, okay. And once we got this angle, then we can solve our questions also, okay. Like our formula will be there. We will put the values. We will feed, okay, values in the formula. We'll get our answers, okay. So like this angles you have to find. Can we find angles in the triangle today? Only I am focusing on the triangle. That in the triangle we can find the angles. Yes, one part is done. Okay, time is completed. Okay, your time completed. You can leave the class. No problem. There is no compulsion that you have to sit in the class. You are okay at the comfort of your home. You can just leave the class. Okay, my time is not completed. Okay, whatever I have to say, I decided that this much I have to discuss in one class. I will discuss that much. Okay, you are free. There is no compulsion also. Okay. So now we can say I will go for the next one. Next one is basically measurement of angle. Okay, so what are the unit of angle if I say? Okay, then we can say unit of angle is always unit of angle. Okay, what are the unit of angle? You have measure in the, mostly we are going in the degree. Okay, so now I will say some units. Degree is there. Okay, and if I talk about the proper unit, then unit of the angle is actually your radian. Okay, It is the radian. There is some system of units. You will get to know SI system is there. Okay. MK system is there. So I'm not going to the system. I'm just saying proper unit, that is the radian. But you can measure in the degree also. Okay, means other unit. If I say then other, okay, then for other units I can say we can measure in the degree also. We can measure in the your minute also. Okay, we can measure in the seconds also. Okay, so many others are there. Okay, but mainly we are going to use only this. Okay, radian, degree, minute, second. If I ask what the actual proper unit, you have to take always radian. Okay, radian is the proper unit. So we have to learn this conversion into your radian degree. Okay, how we will do this one. Okay, so radian is the your proper unit here. We can use degree also, minute also, as well as second also can be used. Add. Now, if I say this is the line here, okay, and if I'm completing one full rotation, means this is the line here, and I'm going to complete one full rotation like this. So when I'm going to complete this full rotation, then we can say in one full rotation, how much angle will be there? In one full rotation, this will be how much angle? Yes, one full rotation angle is how much? Your 360 degree. Okay, so you have to remember in one full rotation, one full rotation, okay, your theta is always going to be 360 degree. Okay, if I say half rotation, then we can say in the half rotation, okay, half rotation basically your theta will be how much? 180 degree. In one full rotation 360 degree, and half rotation we can say your 180 degree. Okay, this point is also clear. Fully rotated like this, then we can say 360, and then half rotation, then we can say 180. Based on this also I will take some questions, but before that I need to tell 1-2 more points. Okay, now add. So we got here that whenever this one is, okay, we are moving this line from here to this position, okay, means we are going like this, then this is always known as your arc. Okay, this is the arc length, or we can say simple words arc, okay, in the short, and we can say this one is basically your radius. Okay, because I can say that I am completing the your like this full cycle. Okay, so in the triangle I am saying is I can write here that if I can take this one, it will be the perfect one. Yes, so we can write this is the center here. From the center I am going from here, so you can say this one is basically what your arc length or arc, or some people say the sector also. Okay, but I will say all the time arc. It is okay. You can say sector, no problem. Can I use this one as arc length or arc in the simple words? Okay, sector can be used, there is no problem. Okay, you can use the sector, okay, or arc. Okay, ARC, very simple to write. Okay, so I'm using the arc, and this one we can say this is the your radius. So this radius, okay, I can say this is the your R, and arc length I can say suppose this is the L. Okay, this is the theta. So what the relation between these three values? Relation between these three values, arc, length, and theta. I hope everyone is very well clear about this one. That theta is always defined as your sector divided by radius, or we can say arc by radius. So theta will comes here. Okay, L by R, or I can write here it is your arc by radius, or we can say your L by sector also we can write. So theta becomes here L by R. Okay, theta is all the time arc by radius. Okay, theta is arc by radius. Clear? If I say for full rotation, so we can write for a full rotation, for the full rotation, theta will be equal to, in the full rotation how much length will be there? In full rotation you can say length will be how much? 2 pi r. Okay, in the full rotation how much length will be there? Total length, you can say it is going to be 2 pi r. Yes, 2 pi r na? Yes, we can say it will be the 2 pi r. Okay, and then we can say theta will be equal to, if I calculate, then we can write here theta equal to, when you are using this one theta equal to arc by radius, then theta is always in the radian, neither, means you have to take always in the radian. Unit is Standard unit is always radian. So when I'm using theta equal to arc by radius, then theta is all the time in the radian. Theta always in the radian. So now because theta is in the radian, so I will put here 2 pi r. So 2 pi r divided by r. So theta value I'm going to get here 2 pi radian. Okay. So I'm saying in the full rotation, how much angle is there? In one full rotation, how much angle? 2 pi radian. You will say just 2 minutes back, you said that in one full rotation, theta is 360 degree. And now you are saying theta equal to 2 pi radian. Okay. What I'm saying that theta, formula of theta, okay, is your arc by radius, theta equal to arc by radius. So theta becomes here L by R. Okay. Theta equal to L by R. So we can say for the full rotation, so for full rotation, length will be equal to how much? 2 pi r, because if you can say for the full rotation, this total, okay, circumference is going to be how much? 2 pi r. So total is the 2 pi r divided by, we can write r, so this becomes 2 pi radian. Means one time I am saying theta is 360 degree, and using this formula I got 2 pi radian. Means 2 pi radian and 360 both should be same or different? Condition for formula L by R, condition is that theta must be in the radian. Theta must be always in the standard unit. This is the formula of theta. Theta will be always okay, taken by L by R, but theta should be in the radian. In one full rotation, if I take, we know theta is the 360 degree, but using this formula, I'm trying to find what will be the theta in the radian. So L will be 2 pi r, so 2 pi r by r are cancelled. So this becomes 2 pi radian. And what you will got here, that in one full rotation, either I can say theta is 2 pi, or either I can say theta is 360 degree. Both are actually same thing, okay? Both must be the same thing. Either I can say 2 pi radian, either I can say your 360 degree, okay? So can I write this thing, okay, just I will a little bit zoom out, and then I will write that theta equal to basically, okay, theta equal to here 2 pi radian, means I can directly write also that 2 pi radian is actually equivalent to what? 360 degree. 2 pi radian is equivalent to how much? 360 degree. Are 2 pi angle is equivalent to 360 degree? Yes. What is the relation between degree and radian that I am going to derive? I am not writing that relation direct. How it is coming, that I am deriving. Okay. So what I have told you in one full rotation, in the last I have told that here in one full rotation this theta will be 360 degree. Okay. Now I am saying that formula of theta will be arc by radius. Okay. Theta is arc by radius. What is the arc basically? Arc will be your L by r. Okay, if you are doing this okay full rotation, then in the full rotation how much will be this length, arc length, that is equal to circumference, and circumference is what? 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so we can see here I am putting the 2 pi r by r, so I got the value of theta is 2 pi radian. So I am saying 2 pi radian is equivalent to 360 degree. Okay. Again, some of you might be having doubt in your mind, sir, we got to know value of pi is 3.14, okay? Everyone knows that, sir, pi is 3.14, okay? And this is, okay, always correct, okay? Recurring, okay, 3.14, you know. And 3.14, if I multiply with the 2, then it is coming your 6.28. So how you are saying 6.28 is equal to 360 degree, which is practically not possible. No way possible, okay? So I'm not saying that 2 pi, okay, this 2 pi value is equal to 360 degree. What I'm saying, 2 pi radian is equivalent to 360 degree, okay? 2 pi radian equivalent to 360 degree, okay? I'm never saying that 2 pi is equal to 360 value. I'm saying 2 pi. Can I say this thing 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds? 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds, because minute is the one set of unit, second is the one set of unit. So basically one set of unit is the radian, one set of the unit is the degree. Okay, like we are writing in okay 1 hour, in 1 hour 60 minutes. So I am not here saying that 1 equal to 60. I am saying 1 hour equal to 60. What you are saying that, sir, 2 pi, I am not saying that 2 pi equal to 360. 2 pi radian equivalent to 360 does not mean 2 pi is equal to 360. Some people are taking 2 pi equal to 60, sir. 360 not possible. Of course, this is not possible. I'm saying 2 pi radian in one set of unit. Okay, something I'm expressing 1 minute equal to 60 second. 1 is not equal to 60. I hope you got little bit idea now. Okay, 1 hour 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. Okay, means one set of unit is the hour, one set of unit is the your minute. Here I am saying one okay, because we can express angle in the radian, but mostly you till now in the 10th class you have expressed in the degree. Everyone is familiar with the degree. If you go outside and you ask, okay, that what are the slope of this ramp or anywhere, anyone will tell you, okay, those workers are there, okay, mostly in the fields, they will tell you answers in the degree or radian. They will tell that yes, this slope will be your around 35 degree or okay, 45 degree. Everyone is familiar with the degree. They are not familiar with the your radian. Here I am saying that 2 units are there. These 2 units interconversion we have to learn today. That was the target. I don't think that today it will be possible because okay, so much time already. Time is 1 hour is almost getting over. What we have done, okay, very less things we have done. So I'm saying 2 pi radian is equivalent to 360 degree. It means pi radian, okay, we can write here pi radian will be equal to 360 by 2 means 360 by 2 means directly I will write here 180 degree. Pi radian is the 180 degree, okay. This one you have to remember, pi radian is the 180 degree. So we can say 1 radian, okay, 1 radian will be equal to how much? 180 by pi. 1 radian will be 180 by pi. Class will be over in the next next 10 minutes, okay. Because whatever the target for today that we have to finish, okay. It is not like that, okay. Because lot of small units are there. Small units are there. Tomorrow class is also not there, I think. Tomorrow you have chill time. So some homework also should be there for you. So okay, daily you have to say some small things. So target for me today was that I will okay, till at least degree radian conversion will be done. Then I have to say your okay, how to find the angles, what are the formula. So many uses are there. All the uses I have to tell. Whatever trigonometry we are going to use in full physics, that whole trigonometry I have to say. So daily this much, okay, point will be coming. So I can say pi radian is the 180 degrees. So 1 radian becomes 180 by pi, okay. Clear? So can I ask some questions to you? Ready for the questions? This line only you have to remember. This line you have to remember. That's it. Okay. That pi radian is the 180 degree or 2 pi is the 360 means pi is the 180. That's it. Okay. Okay. So now question. They are saying convert 60 degree into radian. Okay. 60 degree into radian. Okay, this is a very basic question I am taking. Convert 60 degree into radian. How to convert here? We'll use the unitary method, like 5 pence. Okay, 5 pen 50 rupees, 1 pen like this. Okay, method. So we will say that 180 degree equal to, we will say pi radian. 180 degree equal to pi radian. We will say 1 degree will be how much here? Pi by 180 radian. Okay, then we have to find your 60. So we can say 60 degree will be equal to how much? Pi by 180 into 60. Listen, 180 is the pi. So 1 degree will be pi by 180 and 60 degree how much? Pi by 180 into 60. 180 chocolates, pi rupees. 1 chocolate, pi by 180 rupees. 60 chocolates. Okay, this is the system. So we can say how much answer is coming now? You can say answer is your 0 cancelled, 6 and 18. So answer comes here how much? Pi by 3 radian. Okay, so like this we have to do the conversion. But this conversion, okay, one more time I will say what I'm saying. 180 chocolate, pi rupees. Okay, forget the radian. Okay, remember like this: 180 chocolate, pi rupees. 1 chocolate, pi by 180 rupees. So 60 chocolate, pi by 180 into 60. This one you have used. I will tell so many examples. On account of Ugadi, please don't give homework. I will not give homework. Okay, you will ask homework. Okay, when 1 or 2 class will be over, I will not say. Okay, I will not give homework. You will ask, sir, give homework. Okay, you will always feel like this. Okay. Generally, people are going away from the physics, but whenever physics class is there, most of the people attend the classes of physics. So, okay, same with you also. I'm not going to give any homework after 2 or 3 classes. 100%, I'm confident. Okay, this is the first class, but I'm confident after the 2 or 3 classes, everyone will say, "Sir, give the homework. We want to do more questions." Okay, so now. So like this, if I do, it takes some time. Okay, it will take, of course, some time, because I will say 180 pi radian, 1 degree. Okay, 180 degree pi, 1 degree pi by 180, 60 degree pi by 180 into 60. So can I make one short rule here? Based on this conclusion, I can make the short rule. Okay, so I will make the okay, this whole thing. Okay, very okay, in the very okay short way, I will write this one. If you have your okay degree, okay, and you have to convert the okay, get the radian. Okay, from this conclusion, like degree was given and you have to get the radian. So what you have to multiplied? What you have multiplied here? What you have multiplied? Pi by 180 you have multiplied, na? You are having the 60 degree. In the 60 degree, to get the radian, what you have multiplied? Pi by 180. So I can write this conclusion that whenever I have to get my radian, I can just multiply with the pi by 180. That's it. Okay. So I don't have to write these 3 lines. In the single line only, I can multiply with the pi by 180. Means you can write whenever you have to get degree to radian, then what you will multiply? Multiply with what? Pi by 180. Multiply with what? Pi by 180. That's it. Okay, every time you have to do multiply with the pi by 180. Now I'm going to ask even 100 of questions also. You can directly tell like this, sir, multiply with the pi by 180. Like in the last example we were having here, that 60 degree was given. Okay, so if 60 was given, we have done like this. If I give you 30 degree, how you will do? 30 degree. Same, in the place of 60 you will write the 30, but now we can do like 30 into pi by 180, and 30 into pi by 180, 0 0 cancel, and this becomes how much? Pi by 6 radian. Yes. Okay, can I give the next one also? If I say 90 degree, how much you will write? You can say 90 degree. I have to multiply with the pi by 180. So I'll multiply with the pi by 180, and then here also 0 0 cancel. Answer becomes pi by 2 radian. Are you getting little confidence? We can convert the degree to radian now. That was the target. Okay, that this class we have to finish this thing. Once you are getting the confidence, yes, we can convert any degree to radian. Okay, our class will be done. If I give you any degree, okay, like I have given 30 degree, I have given 90 degree, okay, can you tell me one? Okay, quickly you will tell me for 120 degree. Quickly you will tell me 120 degree. 120 degree. How much will be the answer? Yes, sir. 120 into how much? Pi by 180. Tell me fast for this one. What will be the answer? 120 degree. Okay, so only 2-3 people have given the answer as of now. Okay, so we can say 0 0 cancel. Then I will cancel with the 6 into 2. Okay, so we can say, okay, I will cancel 2 pi by 3 radian. Okay, 2 pi by 3. These are the example. You can write these example. Okay, example number 1, example number 2, example number 3. Can I give you some more example? Some more. Okay, number 4. Tell me quickly for 45 degree. 45 degree. What will be the answer for 45? Yes. So we can say 45 into pi by 180. And now you will cancel with your 5 or 9. How you can cancel? Okay. So we can say answer becomes how much? Explain number 3. In the number 3, 0 0. How cancel? Then how cancel with the 6? 6 into 2, 12. And 6 into 3, 18. So this becomes basically how much here? You will cancel. How to cancel, I will not tell. Okay, for this, okay, up to 20 tables you should know, must to know. If you think you have to become the doctor or engineer, anything, if you are thinking, thought is also coming, then first thing you have to do is the up to 20 tables must be there. Otherwise, I cannot tell how to cancel this 45 and 180. I will cancel first with what? 9 I can cancel. Okay, like here 5, then I will cancel with 20, then I will cancel. This becomes 4 pi by 4 radian. It will be somewhat tough for me. Okay, so will you say next one, yaar? Okay, number 5. Tell quickly for me, this is the 60, 30, 90, 45. Tell me fast for 150 degree. 150 degree. 150 degree. What will be the answer for that? 150. So we can say 150 is 150 into pi by 180. What answer is coming here? Okay, so 0, 0 will be cancelled. Then I will cancel with the your, okay. I can cancel with 3. So you can say 3 means here will be coming 5 and here will be coming 6. Answer comes how much? 5 pi by 6 radian. 5 pi by 6 radian. Okay. 5 pi by 6. I hope these 5 examples clear. Last 2 minutes left for the class. Last 2 minutes. 5 questions. We have to do quickly. Okay. So I am going to write here. Next one here. Okay. Number 6. Tell me for 15 degree. 15 degree. What will be 15 degree? Quick. Yes. Okay. We got the answer here. 15 into pi by 180. Okay. Now you will cancel first of all with the, yes. 3, okay, 3 you can cancel, no problem. 5, and here you can write 60, and then again you will cancel. So this becomes your pi by 12 radian. Okay. Number 7. Okay. Tell me this one. 270 degree. Fast. 270 degree. 270. You can say 270 becomes basically here 270 into pi by 180. 0, 0 cancelled here. We can cancel with the, okay, your 9. So here 3, here 2. So this becomes how much? 3 pi by 2 radian. Okay. So now what is, okay, you can take some angles and then you will try to do, okay. Over. So we know that what we have to do for all these questions, just you have to multiply with the pi by 180. Okay. So to get this conversion, we are going to multiply with the pi by 180. I hope you have written some of the examples. Some of the examples written here. Okay. So I think we should finish the class. Time quickly passed. Okay. 1 hour. Okay. We have done very less things. Okay, so but we learned 1 or 2 things. Okay, basic things. If I, okay, quickly say here what we have learned today. Okay, in the 30-second. Okay, so at this point you can write that degree to radian. What you have to do? Multiply with the pi by 180. Okay, this is the formula that you have to write. Okay, the next class you will say, sir, what to do, what you are told. So means we started the class with the angles. I told you, okay, clockwise we will take negative, anti-clockwise we will take positive, and then we have seen the summation in the triangle is basically your all will be the 180 degree. Then we have done like this. We can find the your angles because summation is the 180. Like here we got the, okay, this question. Then we got, okay, these angles here, and okay, then how to find these, okay, we can extend the surface, first surface, second surface. We extended, we got the angles, and then we have done this degree and radian conversion. And for this degree and radian conversion, we have to multiply with the pi by 180. Okay, so class is over. Enjoy. Okay, and we'll meet in the next class. Geology class, if there, then it will be told to you. Okay, it'll be informed. Meanwhile, okay, do some practice on this one, and in the, okay, next class we'll meet. Okay, bye. We'll learn some more things. Bye. Enjoy. Yes.
A very good morning, students. Very good morning, everyone. A good morning to everyone. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Very good morning. Yeah. How was your test, yesterday's test? Were you able to do all the questions? I'm good, beta. I'm good. How are you all? 305. Very good. 305. Very good. Good. So the geology question, any question which is tough or which you are not able to understand, or where the key which you think is different and answer is different, because one of the students have discussed one question, and the same type of repetition which I am finding my other students who come for the long term, they also bring the same problem, that they think that metameric segmentation is in Annelida, and segmentation and metameric segmentation are two different things. Segmentation and metameric segmentation is a two different thing. Well, the true segmentation is metameric segmentation. So when we say any animal having segmentation, it means it is having a true segmentation, and which means it is metamerism. Actually, the word is metamerism. And why we call that? The simple meaning is because there are metameres. Metameres means individual unit is called metamere. 240, okay. I am good, but today, since morning, my arm is paining like hell, and that's enough. So that's I have taken the tablet for painkiller, and normally pain subsides. Sometimes the pain doesn't subside, so never mind. I'm used to do such type of thing. Only thing is that I requested the physics sir, because he was very near to the campus, this campus. So he said, I'll take, and then you can later on, you can take. 284 out of 360, good, very good. 284, everything, 271, good, good. Okay, good. Okay, getting my point. 276, 264, 290, 285. I'll analyze all this later on when I see the chats. 320, Sahasra, good. Commendable, Sandeep Malik, 305. Everything more than 300 is really commendable. 315, Oppo, CPH. Oppo means, I think, the phone name, the model name, Oppo. मुझे लग रहा है कि 284 out of 360. 284, see, right now the first test, you cannot analyze anything ki this is less or this is more. The best thing is you have attempted the questions. Only analysis can be done when 4 or 5, good morning, bachcho, good morning. Good morning. Sorry, I just missed my YouTube students. A very good morning to everyone out there in the YouTube. Okay, very good morning. And nothing, just today that's very painful. That's why it is being tied. Okay, what happened to your hand? Nothing better. There is sometimes the hand is same only, sometimes it is paining. That's why. And today is not possible to keep it hanging by the side. Okay. So, yeah. Any question in geology which you were not able to understand? I think these people have also written the test. YouTube people. You were given the test. Metameric segmentation, sure. Sure, Navya Poonama, I'll explain that. Once again, triploblastic. Triploblastic means tree means triplo means triple. That means 3 germ layers in the embryo. 3 germ layers are triploblastic. And I want the people to answer here also and here also. Tell me the phyla or the phylum, which particular phylum triploblastic begins. Because once it begins, then it continues. It never becomes triplo to diplo. Diplo to triplo is there. in the course of evolution, but diplo to triplo is there. Triplo to diplo is not there. I mean, 2 to 3 is there, but 3 to 2 is not there. So just tell me the first one. Well, Ramcharan, okay, good. Here, phylum Platyhelminthes is the first one. Very good, very good. Phylum Platyhelminthes, good. Annelida, that group answer. Can you explain Annelida? Annelida. See, we have not asked any question based on any particular phylum. Any particular phylum. We have only asked questions based on the basis of classification. For example, like the first phylum to begin, the coelom, the true coelom starts from phylum Annelida. Right? True coelom. Coelom is there in case of Aschelminthes, the roundworms, but that is not a true coelom. However, the one question came, I think, that triploblastic without a coelom. Now the correct answer is the triploblastic without a coelom. Yes, you are right. Platyhelminthes, quick, very good. Platyhelminthes, the triploblastic without a coelom. Triploblastic without a coelom. Okay, some out of syllabus, like which question, Vivo, you found out of syllabus? Yeah, tell me, maybe, beta, maybe because see what I said, that when you are attempting to write such examination, then certainly you cannot, or we cannot judge you just your performance in the first examination. You have not written the test. Is NCERT enough? More than enough? Much more than enough. Much more than enough. Metamerism and true metamerism. There is nothing called true metamerism. Metamerism itself is true metamerism, true segmentation. But so please note down and try to write these statements in your mind. Okay. So what I am writing here. Yes, metamerism. Metamerism means true segmentation. True segmentation. First point is this. So there is nothing called segmentation and metamerism. Same thing. True segmentation or metamerism. Why? Because the word metamer means a unit or a segment. The segment is called metamer. Metamer means the segment, and metamerism, the phenomenon where the body can be divided externally and internally into metamers with at least serial repetition of some organ. Okay, so this is external and internal division of the body into metamers. Forearm, one of the forearm is okay, beta. Okay, please focus here. Please focus on the board. Metamerism is true segmentation. For metamer means a segment. And what does that mean? The phenomenon. This is a phenomenon. This is a phenomenon of division or segmentation. Division or segmentation means division. Division or segmentation of the body, both externally and internally. Both externally and internally division or segmentation. And now comes the statement which says that with serial repetition. Okay, so the condition is with serial repetition of some organs, at least some organs of at least some organ. So when you know about these animals more and more, you will come to know that what is this definition is. You will every time whenever you learn about a higher animal, you can appreciate this definition more and more. And I will be helping you out in understanding this, that see here the example goes, particularly when we do the animals in detail, the invertebrates in details. Two of the invertebrates that we do in detail is cockroach, we will do in good detail, and somewhat we do in earthworm. And inside the body, I will explain that time also. See, you can see now, Chudu, that this is the segmentation the definition was referring to. Right? So, serial repetition of at least some organs. Getting my point? Understanding? Good, good, good. Mere bachcho, I hope. So, metamerism or true segmentation, I have also given you the trick here, and the trick goes AAC, Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata. These three phyla are segmented phyla, or where the animals are segmented. And when I say segmented, I mean the metameric segmentation. Metamerism is true segmentation. It is not that, because the annelids, they look from outside. If I don't look from outside, that does not mean that my body is not segmented from outside. I'll show you an example of the segmentation, okay? Now, have you seen some people who are doing a lot of ab exercises and they develop those pecs, those bun-like things that come out in their tummy, right, on their tummy? Have you seen? What is that? That is segments. Those are the segments of the abdominal muscle. Those are the segments of the abdominal muscles. Similarly, if I show you the dermatome, you can clearly understand that how the body is being divided into segments. For example, the more you learn about the body, the more you discover. For example, you can just Google the word dermatome. Okay? Dermatome. Well, right now it is not to be understood anything, but I'm just giving you a pictorial idea that where the body can be seen divided into segments. Now, when you see the dermatome means the nerve supply of individual part of the skin. The nerve supply of individual part of the skin. So here we can see the dermatome diagram. You can see that how it is being segmented. The segments of the vertebral column, we call them cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal, the tail. You can see this diagram. This is the nerve supply of the individual part of the skin. The nerve supply. And which nerve supply to the skin? Mainly the skin is supplied by the sensory nerve. That's why when you touch your skin, then the sensation can go to your brain. The brain can register that something is being done on the skin. Okay, people having loss of sense means they cannot sense anything, and even if a cut is being made or any big injury also, they are not able to understand. So can you tell me this pain, therefore it is said pain is a necessary evil. Have you understood this, why the pain is a necessary evil? Because this asks our body to take care of any such noxious stimulus, right? Therefore pain is a necessary evil. I hope it is clear. Those who are having, purposefully this anesthesia is created. Before the surgery, anesthesia is given. Anesthesia. Now, anesthesia means N means absent and thesia means sensation. Loss of sensation. In fact, it is so deep that there is even loss of consciousness at that time. Okay? The body is still alive, but he is not conscious enough. The body is not conscious enough to feel the pain. Okay? And this is being done purposefully because when you operate on the body, when you cut the body part, it is so much painful and also scary in the mind that the body start moving, and the movement of the body can affect, and if the patient starts shouting, the surgery cannot be completed. Right? You understand this point? Right. So therefore, inflammation is also a necessary evil. Inflammation is also a necessary evil. Right? Okay. Inflammation is, we can say, it is obnoxious, it is not good, it is hurting, it is disturbing. But unless the inflammation happens, the healing cannot take place. Therefore, pain has meaning, and therefore, an old saying, have you heard about this? No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Have you heard about this? No pain, no gain. My voice is low. क्या हुआ बेटा? ये देखता हूँ. I'll just check it. No pain, no gain. Yeah. And I just change it. I just change this and say more pain, more gain. More pain, more gain. More pain, more gain. I heard no pain, no gain. And I also felt this in my life, that wherever you, in life, whatever I have achieved, wherever, little or big, it did not come in the comfort zone. It never came in my life. I am an example, and I can see the example around. This is my age, I can understand the people's life, that nothing great is achieved in a comfort zone. In a comfort zone, you can easily clear your IP examination, your public examination. No doubt, in flying color, you can score marks. In competition, you have to really not only run fast, but faster than your competitors. And sometimes in a race, particularly sprinting, or maybe any race, sprinting or a longer race, two person touching the ground and their feet are touching at the same time. This is called touchdown. Even the touchdown is same at the same time. You have to touch the winning rope by your body, and you might have seen, what do? They just put their body in front like this so that their bodies can touch. So the one who touched the rope, the winning ribbon or winning rope, it is called, and the one who touches it with the body, he is considered to be the faster in the race. Isn't it? Do you think that in the examination, in the NEET examination or IIT examination or any competitive examination, there is a big clustering happens. Right now, I think you can appreciate this clustering. For example, I can give you an example. When I get the list of all the marks of your class, all the gift students, I can show the marks here. The day when I get it, I will show that many students are getting same total. So here we can say no problem, 305, ye bhi hai, 284, 5 members, 284, we can say. But in the competition, one of them is considered to be the winner, one is a runner-up, one is a second runner-up, like that, you understand? Even you are having a same total, then also, so there are criteria. And every year they keep on updating the criteria. The criteria is either they see your biology marks or chemistry marks and physics marks, and sometimes all three are same. Then they see the age. Now in the age there are two criteria. Now what the NEET used to do earlier is it used to see the one older in age is being picked up. Yes, it looked weird. The younger, no, but then older. The one older in age, even if you are one day bigger than the other, having the same total, same physics, chemistry, botany marks, biology marks, you will be given the preference. Getting my point? So this is the way, and sometimes even the age are same. See, it is difficult to see such thing in a classroom of 100, 200 students, but just imagine if 25, 26 lakh people are writing the main NEET examination. And every year, this number is increasing. When you write the examination, at that time also the number will be bigger than 25, 26 lakhs. Understanding? That's what I'll tell you. Xiaomi voice is not coming. People, please confirm voice is there or not. Bachcho, please confirm YouTube voice there. Any problem in the voice, because their technician is not there here. So I waited for him, then I started, the class, because I think he has gone to some. Voice is coming. It is clear. Very good. Very good. So you understand this fact. We have to understand that competitions are ruthless. Okay, bachcho. Okay. I'm happy that voice is coming. And Vivo, I will answer your question, beta. Spamming my chat box is not going to help you, because yes, it can disturb me. It can disturb me because I am not able to read other students' comments. Okay, so it's like whenever I see the chat box, I should be able to see if any other, like for example, the Xiaomi person, the voice, the voice was very slow. So I confirmed from the others, like that. So the other comment is also equally important than your point. And when something is being explained, it is not possible to interrupt in that time and I start answering. I love to, but if I start answering only your question, then others may feel, ye kya ho gaya? How he changed his track? Ye kahan se kahan gaya? Right? So this is, I have to, or every teacher, particularly in the online, has to maintain the track. Okay. My dear students, so the bottom line here is every single mark count. And it is not running faster can win the race for you. It is not running fast can win the race for you, but faster than your competitors. And you don't know how much your competitors are preparing, how much they are training. Okay, that's why I say one thing: the more you train in peace, the less you bleed in war. The more you train in peace, peace means when the war is not going on, in that time training, the more you sweat, the less you bleed in battle. So when the combat happens, when the battle happens, the lesser bleeding, because you are so much trained. You have so much of sweating is an indication, it's an analogy that you have really trained very well. And such a good training, less chances are there that you will be shot or you will get hit. The more, and many students even remember this statement today. This is not, I have not written this. Even I have heard somewhere, and this really, every time this also helped me, and with conviction, I can say to you that the statement, the more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in battle. The more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in battle. Now, this example can show you that even sometimes when you don't see the segmentation from outside, okay, irrespective of that, segmentation is present in the body. For example, a simple nerve supply can be seen. Now, this design can clearly make you understand that the God is making the body, keeping in mind individual segments. And each segment is called metamer, and this phenomenon is called metamerism. Remember, human beings belong to chordata, and AAC, Annelida, Arthropoda, chordata, these three phyla show metameric segmentation or metamerism. So it is a misunderstanding that metamerism can only be seen in Annelida. However, in Arthropoda also metamerism, and in case of chordata, okay, metamerism. Any other point? Sir, once metamerism definition in the previous slide. Okay, you can just note down the metamerism definition. Metamerism, okay, please note down metamerism. Metamerism means true segmentation. The literal meaning of metamer is a segment, and when the body is divided into segment, that can be called as segmentation. The body has true segmentation, right? So when the body can be divided into metameres or a segment with conditions apply. And the condition is with serial repetition of at least some organs, with serial repetition of at least some organs. Okay, bacho. So even if you don't look in annelida, it is very easy. You can see the segment from outside. You see in earthworm, you can see the segment from outside. You can see the groove in between the segment. But in human body or in arthropoda also you can see. In arthropoda, although it is a violence, but you can just put the cockroach upside down. Let's put the cockroach upside down and then see the abdomen. You will find that the body is divided into many plates. You can find that the body is divided into many plates. Individual plate is called sclerite. What's called? Sclerite. Sclerite. Phylum Mollusca has metamerism. No, phylum Mollusca has no metamerism. Phylum Mollusca is not metamerically segmented. The example, okay, note down the examples. Examples of segmentation. Once again, I am telling you. Once again, and I can explain you not once again, 10 times again, don't worry. Example of metamerism. I call it AAC, A and C, which means annelida, A for arthropoda, and C for chordata. Chordata, my teachers have taught me like this, AAC, I still remember, and I never make this mistake, AAC. Annelida, arthropoda, chordata. These three phyla are segmented phyla, and segmented by mean true segmentation, because if it is a false segmentation, we can call it as false segmentation or pseudo segmentation. Pseudo segmentation can be seen in tapeworm. In a tapeworm body, can you see? Okay, I'll show you. What does this mean that internally and externally? Now you can appreciate this point when I say internally and externally. Even if you ask me 10 times, I will explain 10 times. With every time I'll try to make me more and more illustrative. A tapeworm. Tapeworm. Now see the body of the tapeworm. You can make out that the body is divided into segments. It look like. And each segment, each of this unit means a false. It's a false segment. This is called proglotid. Proglotid. This is a tapeworm. This causes a disease in human being. This causes a disease in the human being by affecting the large intestine of human beings. It is a gut parasite. Mostly affecting children because they don't maintain the hygiene. Now, these segmentations are only externally. Internally, they are not the segmentation. These are not the segmentation which are internal. So this is a false segmentation. This is a false segmentation. Or I can call it as pseudo segmentation. I can call it as pseudo segmentation. Pseudo segmentation. False. Pseudo means false. Is the point clear to everyone? Okay. No, this is not escalment. It is a platyhelminth. This is not an escalment, but it is a platyhelminth. Don't worry. Examples of the individual phylum you will come to know more and more. But yes, hit and trial method is good. You confirmed it, and right now you have Google also to just see. And don't get carried away in Google. Sometimes we are carried away in Google. Therefore, I always say that see the NCERT textbook. If it is given there, it is enough. If it's not given there, ask your teacher. He will explain or she will explain you. Space or any fluid between the segment. Between the segment means In between the segment, there is a septum, a partition. In between the segment, there is a partition. Okay, partition. The partition is called the partition. I hope you can note down this fall segmentation. This is a tapeworm. Okay, so just understand. Note down means you note down in the mind. Note down in the brain, and this you can note down in your notebook. In your notebook. Examples: Annelida, Arthropoda, and Chordata. Okay, so here, if you hear me again and again, I am speaking about Annelida, and this one is Arthropoda. I'll write clearly more. Arthropoda, Annelida. This one is Annelida, phylum Annelida, and this one is phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata. Today class is about the animal tissues. So let us move a little ahead now. We know that, now my first question to you is, name the phylum which shows tissue grade of organization. Now when I said which shows tissue grade of organization, which means that their body is being made from the tissues, right? Try. Nidaria, Ctenophora, very good answer. Very good. Gopal, Venu, very good answer. Good. What about mollusca? Mollusca are non-segmented, na? 3 segmented hai beta. Only these 3 examples are segmented. All others are non-segmented. Nidaria and Ctenophora, wonderful answer. Ayukt, wonderful answer. Khyati, good. Ramandeep, wonderful. Ctenophora, Nidaria, these 2 phylum. Now, it should not be misunderstood that, sir, to hamari body mein bhi tissues undi. Our body has tissues, so why can't we say we are having tissue grade of organization? Because our body is not made by organization of tissues. This body is made by organization of organ systems. Organ systems. When you say about Nidaria and Ctenophora, their bodies don't have any organ at all. Their bodies, complete body of the animal is organized from the tissues. So your answer is correct, and I have also added a few points about that. Okay. And what is a tissue actually? A tissue is a group of cell. A tissue is a group of cell. Is any group of cell is a tissue? Answer is no. These have organized. They have some division of labor. Some are specialized to do some special task. A group of cells. Usually the cells are all similar, but sometimes they are different also. So they may be similar, they may be dissimilar. Also, the intercellular substances, for example, in the bones, a lot of calcium salts are there, calcium phosphates are there in between the cells. That is the matrix of the bone that makes the bone tough, that makes the bone hard. And that is also considered in the bone tissue. And remember, bone, blood, all these are animal tissues. Bone is a connective tissue. So now this definition has become illustrated even more. A group of cells along with the intercellular substances. A group of cells, okay? So the first point is it's a group of cells. Group of cells. Second point is along with the intercellular substance, along with the intercellular substance, a group of cell along with the intercellular substance. Inter means in between. Try to understand the meaning. Inter means in between. Inter means in between, and cellular means in between the cells. You can see in between the cells, and these are individual cells. I am showing their nuclei also. These are the nuclei, so that now they even look like a cell rather than simply balls. I have shown here, they look like cells. Okay. 2 points done. The cells may be similar or they may be dissimilar. They all have the same embryonic origin. All have similar embryonic origin. Embryonic origin. All have similar embryonic origin. This another point is all have similar embryonic origin. Now the third point which I have written by the green color, you may not be able to really appreciate right now. So I do agree. But then when you learn the definition, so whenever I ask you to say, I'll say, okay, now you can say the definition, you can say, and that time when the right time come, I will explain you what does this embryonic origin, similar embryonic origin means, right? That all the cells arise from a common parent cells in the embryo. That's what the meaning of similar embryonic origin, that all have arise from, that means they all belong to the same family. They all belong to the same clan because their parent cell is same. Their parent cell is same in the embryo. So the one point is group of cells. Second point is along with the intercellular substances, all have the similar embryonic origin and all perform or help to perform. All perform or they help to perform. So they may have some teamwork, they help to perform a specialized function. A specialized function. A group of cells along with the intercellular substances all have similar embryonic origin. The better word here is common embryonic origin. Okay? Common is a more clear. All have common embryonic origin. They perform or help to, all these cells perform or help to perform a specialized function in the body. This is a tissue. This is a tissue. Now this definition is only for understanding the real meaning of a tissue. However, in the NCERT definition, a little different language is given. Up till the yellow one is same in the NCERT textbook also, group of cell along with the intercellular substance. Up till here they have given the same definition, but later on they have given a little different. So that the different one I have written with the green color, so that because now you will really appreciate and right from the very beginning your concept building occurs. This is a tissue. So just a cluster of cell is not a tissue. Please note down this point. A cluster, any cluster of cell, any cluster of cell is not a tissue. Any cluster of cell is not a tissue. You understand this point? For example, in porifera, the body is made by the clusters of cell, and they have cellular grade of origin, but they don't have a tissue grade. We don't call those clusters as tissues. However, now this is actually performing or help to perform a common, and the common is also specialized. Okay, so they are performing a common or a specialized function. Okay, so a specialized function. I know. I have to finish off this session, today's session. Okay, rather than not having anything, it is good that I have somewhat, so that our link is not broken. So they all are performing a specialized function. Either all of them are performing the same, or all of them are helping in performing the similar specialized function. Okay, so this is a specialized, a specialized matlab same one function. All classes are available on YouTube. All classes are available on YouTube. You have to really go there and search. And anyone, any of your friend or any nearby, anyone who want to see the classes of gift classes, particularly because I am noticing every time, and that's my work also to see whether the, it is being uploaded and all the voice and all protocols are done in case of the YouTube. So I'm personally checking them. All these classes, now you have to really go to the channel and then right click any video, and then you can go to the channel and all the videos of the channel. After that, you can sort by the time, that is a date, or you can just search which topic you want to see. You can search the date along with the teacher, the code of the teacher, for example, AV. You will understand that. You will keep on doing that. I know. Channel name, Shri Gosalites Medical Academy. Channel name is Shri Gosalites Medical Academy. Now write the name of the channel correctly. The name of the channel is SRI Shri Gosalites. Shri Gosalites Medical Academy. My YouTube students, please confirm the spelling is the exact spelling which I have written here. My YouTube students, because I'm mentioning here, and my Zoom students, exactly same. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mohan. So this is the channel name. You can go to the channel. This notes, today's notes, every day I am sharing, every time I am sharing, beta. So last 3 classes I am sharing the class slides in the PDF. Last 3 times I am sharing the class slides in the PDF. This time also I will do. Today I think pen drive is not there. Today my pen drive is not there. So what I can suggest you that I'll first confirm whether it is there in the computer. It is there in the computer, right? 99% I will share it with you, or you can also you can scan the QR code. You can scan the QR code also. You will not only get the geology, but you can also get the physics one. Physics are also there. So I think 17 slides are there. 17. Okay. So now you know how to scan it. You guys are even more clever than our generation. So I know. This is Medical Academy. Medical Academy. Shri Gosalites Medical Academy. Okay, bachcho? So we will start with the 4 example of the 4 animal tissues on the next turn. Yes, you can scan it now. All the best, bachcho, all the best, all the very best. You people are doing really good. Keep it up. All the best, keep it up. God bless you all. Keep it up.